No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and decide to subscribe by the end of the video and become a part of the Gem Squad family. So it's a new year and I'm excited about that, but I'm also excited because Glamnetic reached out to me and wanted me to try their magnetic lashes. Now if you guys have seen my last few videos, well, over the years, I've used a couple different brands of magnetic lashes, but I was never able to stick with it. I couldn't find the right lash for me. And recently in a video, I used the Glamnetic that came in, I don't know if it was FabFitFun, I think. And it was this style here, and the one went on and the other one didn't. And if you look real close at this style, it's not the style of lash I usually wear. So I struggle with magnetic lashes, and I've only worn them maybe twice in the last couple years. So for me to try this, you guys are gonna know whether or not it's gonna work, obviously. I'm gonna be very honest with you, and I have not put on mascara or the magnetic liner yet. I have this one here, it's called Black Magic. I will put the prices and stuff on the screen for you. I do know that these are not cheap lashes. You can save money if you bundle, but with me, I need to find the right lash. So they let me choose, which I thought was super awesome because I was like, I've got a much better chance of them working if I choose one that I think is going to work with my eye shape. Because I usually use false lashes, but I usually cut them, and I'm able to pick them out. I go to the store and I grab them. The ones that are sent to me don't always work. So we're going to give this a fair shot. I did not put any liquid liner on the top of my eye yet. And this is the liner that I'm going to be using today. And I've got 3 different style lashes that we're going to try. And I'm hoping for the best. So let's do it. Do I need to put mascara on first? Let's do a coat of mascara. I've got Drama Bomb. I can't see. We'll just put a thin coat of mascara on the lashes. Try to get them to go a little curly instead of their usual straightness. And then we'll try the magnetic liner after the mascara dries and see what we can do. Lashes are a huge part of a look for me. They just take my look to the next level, and they work so well. You get to see them in pictures, they show up, you know, and to me, it's everything. I've been using lashes since 2017, and it wasn't easy at first. I had to get used to it, but I love them. All right, so while I'm sitting here waiting, I'm just going to put a little bit of powder on since I haven't done that yet. And I'm looking a little shiny. I want to be shiny. Here is the wand. This is bendable. It's not like the marker style that was in with these that I got from FabFitFun. So let's go ahead and put a nice thin layer. And see how this works out. Now obviously I don't want super thick liner, but I do want my lash to stay. You might hear Jackson in the background. He's been yelling at his games non-stop. Okay. Okay. I'm not used to using this liner. Okay, I'm assuming it needs to dry. Let's go over the lashes that I've got. I have Ego, which have this purplish, and I'm so into that. I'm loving it. Here's what the lash looks like. I think she is gorgeous. Of course. All right. Now I have got VIP. Look at these babies. They are a little shorter here and a little thinner in the front, and then they move out to be a little bit thicker in the back, but still wispy and like the same thickness, and I think they're beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful lash. Okay, the next one I have is Vibe. And here they are here. These ones are not the same thickness all the way through. You've got the thinner part here and the thicker part here. And they serve as to really like lift the eye. Like I'm just loving it, and I'm hoping that this is going to work. Because y'all have seen me try to use these things before. Okay, which one should we start with? And should I do a wing first? Let's see. Okay, let's just go with the ones that have the purple in them. I don't need to cut these. So I'm okay with that. That's good. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's sticking to my mascara. But it's on. Okay. Let's try the other one. Let's see. Yeah? Alright. Oh. We're on. This always seems to be the one that doesn't want to work. Again, we have different eye shapes, you know? But it worked. Wait a minute. It's got to be off somewhere. Tell me. No, it's really not. What is different about these lashes? I'm guessing the style. That is exactly what I am guessing. Okay, just for kicks, this is the pair that I got in FabFitFun. I'm going to pull this out. This is what it looked like. A nice natural looking lash, right? Let's take this one off and put this one on.
No! Saying help, help, I'm being under attack.
It actually stays. Huh. I wonder if it was the liner that I was using. So I usually go for the marker types. Okay. I mean, this is not my ideal lash, but for some of you that don't wear lashes. Now let's see if I can switch back without a problem. Oh, stop it. It's working. Except for I see a little bit of a lift over here, and that's probably because of the way that I put the liner on. I mean, it's not lift, it's just the positioning is a little off. Hang on. See, it's sticking to my lashes. Okay, and the only thing I do see is a tiny bit of separation, and that's because of my lashes underneath. So basically what I would do to fix that is to just add a coat of mascara and reapply this lash and really let it dry. I'm really big on a metallic lippy when I'm dressed up. This is Jeffree Star's, that mystery shade. running out of it. I almost bought all of his metallic lippies. Almost. So I saw the price. Okay. Let's put that lash back on. It's pretty darn close to perfect. I'm excited. What do you guys think? Again, the style lashes is working for me, which I love. And these are nice and flowy and wispy. Yes, I just love it. Oh, wow. We got one more pair to try on. But so far, so good. They also sent me press-on nails, which my daughter has tried, and I will be trying, and probably adding it to this video or doing it in a separate video, because I don't see the point in trying them until I'm ready to go out, kind of, you know? Alright, let's go ahead and put these lashes back and try the last pair that I have. And these are the ones where it's thicker in the back. Ooh. See what I mean about the eye being lifted? Watch this. This is nuts. Let's see. We got it. That magnet back here is getting stuck to my lashes. So I've got to play with it for a second. Yeah, that's a really pretty lash. And I'm kind of shocked. So this liner and these style lashes are working. All right, let's try the other one. Are you kidding me? I really do think it's all about the style you get. And which liner, because I put on such a thin layer. Wow, guys.
I just figured out how to get back to the lobby.
What do you think? Kind of shocked. All right, so we've tried all of these magnetic lashes and they all worked. I'm kind of shocked. I really am. I'm just really shocked. I'm really happy though, because now I know that there's a certain style lash that is magnetic that works for me. And I was pretty good at guessing because they let me choose these and I love every single one of them. And they're different, so depending upon the eye look that I want to do is depending upon the eyelash that I'm going to use. I will put pictures in here for you guys and close-ups of the products. If you have any questions at all, put that down in the comments below. I will leave Glamnetic's information down there as well, but be mindful. This is the liner that worked for me. The marker type did not work for me, but this one did here. This is called Black Magic, and it's with the wand that almost looks like the wand for the glue. If you've used a lot of false lashes, you know what I'm talking about. So that worked well for me, even with a thin line. I'm super impressed. They also have press-on nails, which when I definitely go out to dinner, I'm definitely going to use these. I think that they are beautiful. My daughter could not wait to dive into nails. She's like, Mom, where'd you get them from? Do you have to review them? Can I use them? So I'm going to include pictures in here of the ones that she used. They do give you more than one set. So I was like, okay, now I see why there's a little bit more of a price to it. There was one tiny little defect in one of the nails that she had, but other than that, she didn't have any issues with them. She still has them on. She said they felt good. They didn't feel like they were falling off. So I will be reviewing these as well and doing a part 2 to this video. And if you've got any questions for me, please put them down in the comments. I will do my very best to answer them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you are new, please say hello to me. I would love to get to know you, and I hope that you will decide to subscribe. I'll see you guys really, really soon in another video. Bye!